Hello, lovelies. Welcome to Dear Denise Kitchen. Today it's really chilly and wet outside, but we are inside and we're going to prepare some soup to warm us up. I have this beautiful mixture of mushrooms, very colorful and tasty. I've got some chicken here. This is a broiler, so it's really harder to cook, not harder, like it takes longer to soften than um the other one. We've got also got some potatoes, we've got some carrots and some okra which I've chopped up. So this is our chicken, which is all cut up, and it's bony as well, and it's sizzling on there. I've just got some, the usual suspects of garlic, ginger, onions, and I'm just going to blend them up with some water, and I'm going to pop it in there. I'll add some salt and some stock cubes to season it up. I'm not going to put a lot of seasoning in here because this is for my son who is not feeling well, and I don't want a lot of spices or other things in there that's just going to make him not want to have the soup. This soup is very basic and it's very nutritious for when you're not feeling too good and you want something light to have, really. So I'm really happy you're here. So thank you so much. Thank you for your support and the time that you have taken to visit my channel, and I hope to see you more often. I added paprika off camera. It's just cooking now. As soon as it's cooked, I'm going to blend it up with the tomatoes and then pour it in there to allow it to cook. One of my fond childhood memories of my mom is her ability to convert one dish into something else, and light soup really lends itself to this very well. My mom could convert light soup into a variety of dishes, and this soup is inspired by her. It's inspired by one of the um, soups that she would make when I'm not feeling well, and she would, and we have light soup at home. She will add all these different things to it, like but potatoes or cocoyam and carrots are a very good feature in there, and this allows you to have some amount of what do you call it, nutrients and other things that you have to give you the energy to sort of get you back on your feet. And yeah, so I'm making this from scratch, and I'm adding all these things to it to hopefully get enough nutrients in there for B. And if you're inspired by this soup, please go ahead and customize it to your liking. I'll be very grateful to know how you get along with yours, what you add to it. You can add, be open-minded. You can add beans to it if you like. You can add all sorts. You can even add spinach, whatever that you have, just to, it's just a matter of making a pot full of nutrients and energy. All right, and yeah, so let's keep watching. I have added the potatoes and the okra to it. I'm just going to allow it to cook. I'm not going to add the carrot yet because I don't want the carrot to soften too much and lose a lot of nutrients from that. So I'm going to add it. It's going to be one of the last things that I added. I added the mushroom a bit earlier on so it can take on some of the taste of the seasoning from the chicken to give it a bit more should I say, yeah, taste to it. So yeah, I put scotch bonnet in there, but I didn't blend it because B does not like a lot of chili, so I just left it in there. and it's just going to take on a bit of chili, but not too much. And it's only one, so even if it smashes up into the soup, it's fine. Our soup, it's coming out very well. I'm just testing the potatoes here to see if it's softening, and I'm just going to leave it to cook. So continue watching. Our soup is looking really good. Everything has cooked through very well. We like our seasoning, and yeah, everything is good to taste. So I'm gonna plate it up and get me some food to eat. I hope you do try this recipe. Don't forget to tag me or let me know how it goes. All right. Thank you so much for spending time with me in the kitchen preparing some soup for my little one. So, from my kitchen to yours, have a blessed day and a fantastic day. All right. Thank you so much, and bye for now. Until next time.